vascular stent graft thrombosis is hurting badly.
Lowest level terms, or LLTs, provide the most detailed description of a specific condition used during data entry.
Mom, my vascular stenosis is hurting.
Rahul explained every detail.
Doctor, my son has vascular stent thrombosis.
This is a MedDRA preferred term.
A preferred term converts detailed complaints into one official medical diagnosis.
Rahul's father looks at the bigger picture. The vascular complications associated with ATID associated with a device. Now he isn't talking about only Rahul.
He's talking about a group of similar diseases.
The HLT role groups many preferred terms. This is based on pathology or anatomy. This ensures better organization .
These are all complications associated with devices.
As the grandfather, I represent the system organ class. We guide you through the MedDRA hierarchy. It is simple.
At the very top is grandfather. Which body system does this belong to? Such as cardiac disorders, respiratory, and skin disorders.